morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ayan, meron na naman silang bago guys. Get up and go. Sports ata to. Ayan, mangusyoso tayo dito sa loob. Bandang likuran to guys. Dito talaga yung malapit sa pinag-stayhan namin. Aga na naman today. Maglilinis pa sila. Ganda no? Ayan. I'm sure maraming kids mamaya dito. Ganda. We're tough. Go girls. We're tough to beat. Wow. Big heart. Every day is a Valentine's Day. Hindi lang February. Ayan guys, so get up and go. Ayan, pag bumili ka, meron silang check-out counter there. Ayan o. Cute o. Powerpuff Girls. Be strong. Wow, cute, cute. Dito to sa SM guys. Cute na. Ayan. Get up and go. Parang mini stage. Morning. Ganda. Maraming mga toys. Mga gamit. Lonely Tunes. Wow. Shout out. Shoot and score. Wow. Ganda dito guys. Mamaya madaming kids magpi-play dito. Yan, malapit lang to sa groceryhan natin. Kaya nakapasya lang ang yung lola. Hindi ba? Ganda. Yan yung tower nila sa center. Salamat guys. God bless everyone.